We are taught to be afraid. I mean, think about it. A 2-year-old, a 3-year-old goes and they start playing with a certain toy, or they start climbing on the jungle gym. Oh, don't do that. Watch out. You might get hurt, right? Or don't say that, or don't do that. So we're taught these things. We're bred to be afraid. I mean, look around you. Look at all the things going on in the political arena and the economic arena. I mean, all these things that are going on, they're driven by fear. Look at the stock market. It is a fear-driven, process. So we are taught to be afraid. And so when I talk about a fear-based philosophy, I'm talking about that part that, really it's driven by the idea, I think, that we are somehow inadequate or deficient in our ability to take on the natural, normal things in life. I get a good kick out of when we say things like, I was planning to do this, and then, life threw this monkey wrench in my plans. And we're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that happened.